What's up, everybody? This is Jeremy. Today the application I'm going to be showing you guys is called Fanfare. Before I start, I'm going to go ahead and let you guys know now they actually have an application on the iPhone. You can type Fanfare, which is P-H-A-N-F-A-R-E, or you can type Photon, P-H-O-T-O-N. This is basically an image editing and storage application. You get, I think it's 1 gigabyte, I think, of online storage. I'll go ahead and start up here in the menu bar. There's a lot to cover on this application. It's really simple, but there's a lot to it. So, about Fanfare, this just tells you the version number that you have. You go to preferences, which I'll get to in a second. Account information. This actually loads up the website, and you can view your profile and your privacy settings. Your shared album settings, you can do your billing information because there's actually upgrades that you can buy on here. You can empty the trash, which I'll show you that in a little bit. The file, you can add a new album, you can add a section to an album, you can import images and videos, you can export or import from iPhoto, excuse me. You can export albums and save them on your computer. You got your basic edit menu. Images, this is where you can actually edit your images. There's not a whole lot you can do as far as editing, but there's a little bit you can do. It's kind of like iPhoto in a way. You've got your album options, which this is where you can date the albums. You can make a timeless album and put, you know, certain images in there. You can set up that how you want to organize. You can set up how you want to share them. You can share them to the public. You can share them with only friends, only family, however you want to do that. You can manage groups, set up groups. You can set up notifications to notify people when you add new albums. You can do different styles here, kind of like iWeb, sort of, a little bit. You can change the preview size down here. Get a better idea of what these look like as you scroll through here. You can play the slides for slideshows for however long you want to. You can select the music that you want to play. You can enable zooming and panning effects, different little effects and stuff like that. You can loop the slideshow. Go up here to music. Which one is it? I think this is the one that I use. You can click on preview over here and click play, and it'll actually show you a little preview. It's not one preview. There we go. So you can change that. You can actually open up your library in iTunes and set it up that way as well. Where were we at? Images, album options. Okay, you can set up captions for your images. You can sort through your images. Your presentation settings, which I'll show you that on the interface. Here's where you can add friends and family. You can invite people to the application and share with each other. You can manage your connections, which this takes you to all the people that you've added so far, I think, is all that is. You can manage your comments that you've received. You can check out visitor reports, like where your visitors are coming from and stuff like that. You can set to share this album, the one that's set up on here, or whichever one you're highlighted, have highlighted. You can view albums, you can view image details, which, like this, if you have an image highlighted. So I want to highlight this picture and go up to image details. It'll tell you, set a caption, stuff like that, and you can go in here and do your editing. You can zoom in or zoom out. You can hide the album descriptions. Here's where you got an upload manager. You can upload files through this. You can set up your slideshows over here and import music from iTunes and set it up and have customize your songs for your slideshows. Then your basic help menu. So now I'm going to go ahead and go back into the preferences real quick. You can automatically log in to the most recent user, which I only have one user account, so I only have I'm going to have that automatically set to log in. You can have it show warnings when an album automatically changes years. You can move items into the trash. You can empty the trash. Don't allow the computer to go to sleep while you're in this application. You can change thumbnail sizes. You can automatically rotate images from the camera. You can automatically caption. You can caption iPhoto images. You can set your cache and excuse me, mobile images you can allow to upload, I think, that way. We'll go back into the albums here. You can see I've got my albums here. I've got all my 2009 ones, 2008. I got my timeless right here. You can just drag whatever image you want to set as. You can drag different images up into here and it'll set it as the default image. Here's your presentation settings where you can change the albums and you can make a custom URL. You can set a welcome message. You can set how you want to display and organize your folders. You can set your style. Your same as some of your other preferences I showed you earlier. Featured images you can just randomly pick, or you can select those yourself. You can share. This is where you add your friends and stuff like that, which was up on the menu bar. You can create a new album. You can add photos and videos. You can show. This is actually my girlfriend's iPod wallpaper. You can show the information like the file size, the dimensions, when it was uploaded, stuff like that. You can add captions down here for it, whatever you want to do like that. You can start a slideshow up here. You got your pause and rewind and previous and next and show effects, show captions, how long you want the music, how loud you want the music, how long you want each slide to show. You can loop the slideshow. There's really a lot to this. It's really, really nice. Then you got your Fanfare home, which will just take you to your home page. Then you've got your options down here, which is the same as before. Just different ways to get to different options, basically. You got share again. You can highlight a file and delete it. You can rotate a file. You can go in here and edit. You can undo and revert, delete, save. You can adjust effects, you can do auto levels, you can crop the image, you can take out red eye, you can rotate right, you can switch between your images, you can view the actual web page that has this image on it. You can type or highlight a file and then click caption. It'll bring this up and you can put captions in for all your images. You can do GIFs, and you can actually buy, just like in iPhoto, greeting cards, photo books, prints, archive DVDs. You can go down here and change again the thumbnail size. You get 1 GB of storage, I think. Here's another way you can add and delete albums, right down here at the bottom. You can add more storage, and you can actually go to the website. I've got 17 megabytes that I've used out of 1 GB. And for $27.47 a year, which I'm not sure if this is just right now or permanently, right now it's $27.47 for your first year, and you get unlimited storage for your photos and videos, and you get it 30% off on all prints and gifts. So that's a pretty good deal there on that. But 1 GB, I mean, that's a lot of images and several decent-sized videos as well. So. You get a lot with this. Like I said, it's another way if you don't want, if you don't like using iPhoto, or you're just kind of bored with iPhoto and want to try something else to organize your albums and stuff. I would highly, highly recommend this. It's a very in-depth application, has a lot of stuff on it, but still it's very simple to use. And there's multiple ways to get to different, preferences and stuff like that. So it's definitely a very, very nice application. And hopefully I'm not running over 10 minutes here, so thank you guys for watching. Keep checking back. Post your comments, rate, subscribe, post video responses, all that good stuff, and keep checking back. Thanks a lot.